Wei say hi. We are going for tree planting very soon at Changi.
Sujay.
Oh, hi. Hi. Yeah, so basically today we will be doing tree planting along this stretch over there and that side. So as you can see, there's a lot of trees allocated around this area. So you are not limited to 1 tree or 2 trees. Just do as much as you can. We have 100 trees tree movement. We also have 1 million trees. Okay, great. So this 1 million tree movement, as of now, we already have around 390,000 across Singapore. So our aim is to plant 1 million trees across Singapore by 2030. It's a 10 years project. So right now we already ahead of our target. So just the tools with jungles. So glove will be issued. So let us know if you all need a glove. If not, usually in my preference, I will always use without the glove because of the grip purposes. Yeah. So before you all go for tree planting, just make sure that you all measure the root ball, how deep you have to go for it. So usually we use the chango as a ruler to measure the depthness of the root ball. So this is the depth of the root ball. So for how big you have to dig for the root ball will be using the same thing, chango measure, and this is the width of this root ball. So once you have the measure of the depth and the width, you all can start proceed with tree planting. Okay. So on top of it, you can see there's this color, pink color fertilizer. Just before you all start digging, just make sure that you all scrape off. And try not to stand this area because there's a lot of crowd traffic. So just keep it on the side. Then once you have the strip of the fertilizer, you all can start planting. Try not to drag this way. Because by you dragging, it's not very good for your plant. So what we do is always that. In, lift it up. In, okay. Try not to do it this way because at some point, once you start to do it this way,
Wei is putting on her gloves, ready to work. A lot of hard work. Not easy to plant a tree, but it's fun. Okay. You mean there's a name to the tree?
scientific name.
Oh, okay. So this is the tree that. Cassia. Oh.
Okay. Ano natin po ito? I think it's supposed to water one round the. Oh no, I watched the video.
I watched, but I forgot.